If you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or marketer, you have many options available to you to market and advertise your business. You could choose to use traditional marketing mediums like radio and television and newspaper, but those marketing mediums are dying. They're becoming more ineffective by the day. You could choose to use digital marketing mediums like pay-per-click advertising, search engine optimization, email marketing, mobile messaging. But these marketing mediums are fairly complex and they require a lot of skill and expertise to use them effectively and successfully. Regardless of the marketing mediums that you choose to use, research has found that the majority of consumers tune out and ignore the majority of marketing messages. And this results in a tremendous amount of wasted advertising and marketing money. If you put your hand in your pocket or purse, would you find a billboard or radio ad or a website? No, of course not. But you might find a pen, a hand sanitizer, a lip balm, or some other item imprinted with a marketing message and a logo. These items are promotional products, and people love receiving promotional products, and they use them in their day-to-day lives. They welcome them into their lives. And the benefit to the marketer is that once those items are put into the hands of their target market, the message printed on those items will be seen over and over and over again without any interruption and without any additional cost to the advertiser. I'm Avery Manko, and I've been in the promotional products business for nearly 30 years. I've worked with literally thousands of business owners, entrepreneurs, and marketers just like you. And when I have conversations about marketing with my customers, they very often want to know three things. They want to know why they should buy promotional products. They want to know what promotional products should they buy. And they want to know how to use them to grow their business. That's why I wrote this book, Uncomplicated Marketing. My book will teach you how to use promotional products to generate more leads, generate more referrals, increase the average transaction, increase sales, and increase customer retention. Whether you're a seasoned business pro or you're just getting started, my book will show you how to use promotional products to grow your business. Thanks for watching.